So first I laid some water in the beginning, then I've added, as you can see, that shiny part, that's a wet water, and then I added this burnt sienna here, oops, and just like this, and then I'm going to spread this paint, this burnt sienna, around that area where I need to be browner. What we are trying to paint is this beautiful bird. Okay, cool. So I'm keeping it wet. In a sense, since we're using this wet into wet technique, I'm gonna take some what is this? Cobalt blue. Adding a slot of paint. I'm going to spread this cobalt blue beneath here. I'm taking some nice dark brown. This is called Van Dyke's brown. I want to add inside that. Taking some water, just making it lighter. This is called softening of edges.